then an infection spreading across the nearby forested area. At this time, we have not found a source. The infection appears as eyes, surrounded by a dark, spiraling void. As of now, there is no known way to cure or control the infection. We can only contain the infected. There are 3 known stages. Stage 1. The infection appears as an ordinary cut, nothing unusual. The victim still acts like themselves, though they may be insecure or claw at the area. We think we've found a cure. However, it is only for this stage. We also aren't sure how effective the cure is. There is still a chance of the infection returning. Stage 2. A small part of the head begins to morph into the eyes and spiraling void mentioned earlier. When it gets to this point, it's too late to cure them. If the eye is not the main point of infection, it may become a hypnotizing spiral. Stare into the eye for too long, and you will be permanently paralyzed. Stage 3. Not much is known about this stage, as it can change from person to person. Some become extremely violent. Others lock themselves away and eventually die from starvation or the infection. However, a similarity between all victims is that their head, neck, and one of their front limbs is fully infected. If someone you know is infected or showing signs of infection, contact authorities immediately. Containment is the only way to control them, the only way to protect the uninfected. If you are uninfected, stay indoors. Don't let anyone in, even if they are your friend. It isn't obvious a person is infected during the earliest stage. Don't trust food you didn't buy. Stay out of the woods. End of message.